garbage disposal was leaking quite a bit from this area here. So I decided to disconnect the pipe from the disposal just to inspect the rubber piece here, which was situated like this, easy to take out. And sure enough, there is a huge crack in it. So that's our problem. Home Depot does not have this part, unfortunately, but of course, Amazon to the rescue. Thank you, Amazon. Easy $10 fix. Awesome. All right, now we have our part. Yippee. This is now metal. It was rubber before, so maybe that'll help. Who knows? Hopefully. One thing you want to make sure is that this is snug against here. Otherwise, it's really hard to get on because I tried and it doesn't work. So yes, snug right against this. There's like a little lip that has to go over. This is going to slide right into your garbage disposal. And this is going to cover the pipe. This little thing here, this little knob is going to slide into the little section, the little notch at the bottom, and this is going to stay at the top for the screw. So put that in first. Put your little notch in there. There we go. All right, here's your setup here, and this is secure over the pipe. This is in the notch, ready to be screwed in at the top, and then you have your little spring clamp. You're just gonna take over the rubber part, which is not easy to do with one hand, so I'll be back. All right, the clamp is around the rubber and the pipe securely, and I have tightened the screw. We're ready to try it. Hey. Okay. Yes. So happy. All right, so we have a $10 part, 10-minute fix.